Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create beautiful emails in Gmail where you can add some, moving images like GIFs, for example, as part of the email. We're going to be using Google Documents for this. But first, head over to your Gmail account and then click here for settings and then click on see all settings and then go to advanced and then enable the templates so that, we can put our templates with the beautiful moving images or GIFs, and then click on Save Changes. Moving on to another step. Now head over to Google Documents or Google Docs and then click on blank document to start creating a template, and then afterwards you head over to insert and then click on table and then just do it like this. And then afterwards you simply color it with the color that you want, for example purple, and then you simply, centralize the text by clicking here and then clicking on this one and then click on center line just like this, and then simply add anything, for example hello, just like so, and then afterwards you simply make it large and then make the text white just like this, and then you increase the size just like this. This is enough, and then we're simply going to put some GIF or moving image into it, drag it into the document. Afterwards you click here so that you can wrap the text just like this. It's gonna be positioned here, and then afterwards you simply type anything, for example happy birthday to underscore, which will be filled with a name, and then you simply increase the size of the font just like this by clicking on this plus symbol and then click here and then click here to centralize the text just like so, and then afterwards you simply make the text smaller, and then you simply type like lorem ipsum dolor sit amet just like this. Copy and paste this several times. It will only act as a a template just like this, and then when you're done you can actually put a table cell as part of a gift, which will include a link. Click on insert and then table and then make it one by one just like this, and then you simply type anything, for example click here to open your gift, and then centralize it, or maybe make it short just like so, and then you can highlight some parts of the text just like this, and then you can even change the color of the table cell by clicking on the background color, and then let's say if you want to make it orange and then make the text white just like this, and then you remove the outlines by clicking on this one, and then you simply make it white, and then we can like add a link that will be the gift. Select the text and then head over to this insert link icon, and then afterwards paste the link google.com just like so, and then apply. You're done, and then let's copy all of the elements that we edited using Google Docs. Select them all, or just simply hit Ctrl and the A keys, Ctrl C to copy, and then head back to Gmail and then click on compose and then paste it by hitting Ctrl and the V keys. You're done. You simply hit backspace several times until like there's no more space. Pretty fancy. Now you have this email with this amazing GIF or moving images like this one. Pretty fancy. That's how you can create beautiful emails in Gmail so that you can send emails, for example this beautiful email with moving images like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.